America's loneliness epidemic is getting worse. Loneliness affects our physical and mental health and can cause stress, anxiety, addictions, and more.
We have been learning a lot about superfoods and exercise over the past 10 years. But what we never saw coming was finding that our physical health has a direct correlation with our relationship health. When they started their 80-year study at Harvard on longevity, researchers were looking at genes, lifestyle, and nutrition. Now, these same scientists are scrambling to study empathy and connection because they discovered our relationship health is at the core of our physical health.
When our relationships at work or at home are not stress-free, it essentially causes an energetic drain on our life that can run down our health, immune system, motivation, and sense of purpose. Not only does it affect our health, it affects our work. Though we may have learned the science behind the equation MC² in grade school, nobody in school or college or the wellness space is teaching us the science and habits that build great relationships with ourselves and others. Bright, Bold, and Real has been pioneering in the wellness space for over 20 years now. Trisha and Doro are kindness champions who have made the concepts of holistic health easy to understand for everyone. Our latest offering is the MC² Crash Course. Everything you need to know to stay connected to those around you. And we designed it to allow you to learn and then teach it yourself. The Mindful Community Collective is a group of companies and leaders who have set out to bring people through an 8-week crash course to bring more connectedness and resilience at work and at home. Our program uses an online platform to deliver short lessons filled with video, text, comics, and movie clips for every type of learner.
This group mindfulness method better helps you understand and practice 6 transformational habits, which have the power to turn relationship drain into newfound energy and support.
We come together on Zoom each week for an hour to go over tips on everything from gut health to sleep to nutrition. And then we go into breakout groups of 8 to share our hands-on experience and deepen our knowledge.
And use the principles. You can use them with people of all different ages and different circumstances, like a coworker, a sister, a family member, a boyfriend, or whatever, which it's been really remarkable.
This has been, such a gift for me. I'm going to get quite emotional. It's just been really great. And, the big takeaway for me is how powerful a connection you can have with people that maybe you didn't know. So even in amongst our small group, just sitting and listening to everyone's stories each week was incredibly powerful.
We have seen this course in action, and the results are truly magnificent.
We use a scientifically validated measurement tool, the Healthy Mind Index, developed by Dr. Richie Davidson for Healthy Minds Innovations. Each user can see their personal progress, and the company can see the anonymous result of the whole group before and after the experience.
I'm coming into these personal experiences not a new person, but I listen more. I try to not bring judgment. I try to bring kindness. So I've really benefited from this whole experience.
Everything that we're learning is like forcing me to slow down and just be more present.
Participants bond as a company with their small group of 8 and with their buddy.
And really share vulnerability in a group, just magic happens. And we get so inspired and feel so connected. And that part of us that sometimes feels like divided just comes together in the we of the group.
This affordable, effective, and transformational course is the missing ingredient to help you improve company culture, teamwork, health, and resilience.
confident and happy and just a more stronger version of myself. And so I'm really grateful that I got to be part of it. Public speaking is one of my greatest fears, so it's helped me with that too. So I really have appreciated it.
This has been amazing. I don't want it to end either.
This space is sacred, this community is loving, and we are honored to partner with you on this journey.
Employees will leave with stress-free relationships, deep connections, leadership skills, and company loyalty, self-knowledge, and vibrant health. Relationships are the next frontier of the wellness movement. Join us.